Better communication, better life. A step-by-step guide. Effective communication is key to unlocking your full potential in a world where connections are everything. Communication is the skill of talking and sharing your thoughts in a way that makes sense to others. It's like telling a story that everyone can understand. Communicating well helps us get along with people and succeed in our jobs or whatever we do. Join me on this journey as we delve into the world of effective communication, exploring the tools and techniques that will transform your interactions. 1. Avoid confusion and frustration. Sometimes communication breaks down because people need to understand each other and get annoyed. Try listening before you talk. Make sure you understand what the other person is saying before jumping to conclusions. Remember that everyone has their own way of saying things, so be open to different communication styles. 2. Use I statements. Expressing your feelings and thoughts using I statements can make a difference when addressing concerns or conflicts. Instead of saying, "You always do this," try saying, "I feel frustrated when..." This approach takes the focus away from blame and encourages a more open and understanding conversation. 3. Pause when it's necessary. Taking short breaks when you talk can improve your communication. Pause for a moment to stress key points and let your friend or whoever's listening catch up. These breaks can also help you gather your thoughts so your message comes across clearly and easily. 4. Improve how you express yourself. Good communication isn't just about what you say, but also how you say it. Confidence, sincerity, and genuineness in your nonverbal cues can strengthen your message. Maintain good posture, smile naturally, and make eye contact to show confidence and approachability. 5. Be a good listener. Being a good listener can make your relationships better. When someone is talking to you, give them your full attention. Show that you're engaged by asking questions to understand better and summarizing what they said. Active listening isn't just about hearing words. It's about understanding the emotions and intentions behind the words. 6. Watch your tone. How you talk can make people feel welcome or push them away. Use a warm and friendly tone in your conversations. Avoid sarcasm or being harsh, and think about how your tone might affect what you're saying. Step back and pause before responding if you are in a heated discussion. This short break allows you to choose your words and tone more carefully. 7. Expand your friend circle. Improving your communication skills can also help you make new friends. Join social activities, go to events, and be friendly. Use open body language, make eye contact, and be interested in getting to know others. When you meet new people, ask questions, encouraging them to share more about themselves. 8. Handle negative people with care. When you must talk to negative people, choose your words wisely. Stay calm and don't get caught up in their drama. Be confident, but not aggressive, and maintain your self-respect during the conversation. Practice responding thoughtfully rather than reacting, and avoid getting into unnecessary conflicts. 9. Give helpful feedback at work. Building good relationships with coworkers and bosses is as important as providing feedback. Start by listening actively and showing you care about their ideas and problems. When giving feedback, be specific, focus on actions rather than personalities, and suggest ways to improve. Provide constructive criticism and end with positive reinforcement. This will improve your communication with them and show that you're committed. 10. Develop empathy. Empathy means understanding and sharing other people's feelings. Try to see things from their point of view. This skill can lead to more meaningful and kinder interactions. Practice empathy not only in your personal relationships, but also in your professional life. Understanding your coworkers and bosses' challenges and motivations can help you work together more effectively and create a positive work environment. Effective communication is a skill that can be learned and developed. It requires effort, practice, and an open mind, but the rewards are immense. Improving our communication skills can strengthen our relationships, help us navigate challenges more easily, and lead more fulfilling lives. So, embrace the power of communication and become a more effective communicator. The world will thank you for it.